Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Gunningsville is one of the historic communities that became part of the town of Riverview in southeastern New Brunswick. Located along the eastern side of the Petitcodiac River across from Moncton, Gunningsville played an important role in the early transportation and settlement history of the Greater Moncton region. Today, the area contains residential neighborhoods, local businesses, parks, and community facilities connected closely to the growing metropolitan area. The history of Gunningsville dates back to the 19th century, when small settlements developed along the Petitcodiac River. The community became known for its ferry crossings and transportation links connecting residents to Moncton on the opposite side of the river. Before bridges were constructed, ferries carried people, livestock, and goods across the Petitcodiac, making Gunningsville an important transportation point in southeastern New Brunswick. One of the most significant developments in the history of Gunningsville was the construction of the Gunningsville Bridge. The original bridge opened during the 19th century and helped create a more reliable connection between Riverview and Moncton. Over time, newer bridge structures replaced older crossings as traffic increased and the Greater Moncton population continued to grow. The bridge system remains an important part of transportation in the region today. During the 20th century, Gunningsville evolved from a smaller riverside settlement into a suburban residential area connected to Riverview and Greater Moncton. Improved roads, modern infrastructure, and economic growth encouraged housing development throughout the area. Families increasingly settled in Riverview while commuting to jobs, schools, and businesses located throughout Moncton and Dieppe. The neighborhood today contains residential streets, schools, parks, churches, and community facilities that support local residents. Nearby commercial districts and transportation routes provide convenient access to shopping centers, healthcare services, and entertainment venues throughout southeastern New Brunswick. The location near the Petitcodiac River also gives the area strong visual connections to the surrounding landscape and riverfront environment. Outdoor recreation remains an important part of life in Gunningsville and Riverview. Nearby walking trails, parks, and green spaces support activities throughout all 4 seasons. The riverfront area and surrounding natural spaces continue to attract residents and visitors interested in outdoor recreation, local history, and the changing landscapes of southeastern New Brunswick. Riverview has a population of roughly 20,000 people and forms part of the Greater Moncton metropolitan area alongside Moncton and Dieppe. Riverview officially became a town in 1967 and has continued growing steadily because of its suburban development and location near major transportation routes and employment centers. The history of Riverview and the surrounding region is closely connected to the Petitcodiac River and the indigenous Mi'kmaq communities that lived throughout the area long before European settlement. The river served as an important transportation route for fishing, trade, and travel. Acadian settlers later established farming communities along the riverbanks before the railway era transformed Moncton into a major transportation and industrial center during the 19th century. Today, Riverview continues to grow as part of one of Atlantic Canada's largest and fastest expanding urban regions. Historic communities such as Gunningsville remain connected to the area's transportation and riverfront history while continuing to develop as modern suburban neighborhoods. Visitors to Riverview experience a community shaped by rivers, transportation links, outdoor recreation, and the ongoing growth of southeastern New Brunswick.
Thanks for watching!